Hi, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and today I'm going to offer a brief explanation on marriage separation agreements, specifically who, when, and why you would use one. You can check out our other videos for an answer to what is a marriage separation agreement. In Australia, marriage separation agreements or divorce agreements are correctly known as a binding financial agreement. In this video, I might refer to a separation agreement or a divorce agreement, but they are both binding financial agreements. The only difference is that one is made after separation and the other is made after you have divorced. Making a binding financial agreement is an alternative to using the court system to determine how your property and financial resources should be divided. Any couple who has separated and know exactly how they want to divide their assets and liabilities can use a binding financial agreement. You can make a marriage separation agreement at any time after your marriage has broken down and you have separated, even if you are still living under the same roof. Unlike your other legal options, there is no time limit for when you can use a financial agreement. Separating couples have three choices to legally document their property settlement: financial agreements, consent orders, and going to court. There are many good reasons why you would choose a separation or financial agreement. It keeps your agreement private and out of court, which saves you a great deal of emotional stress and financial cost. It's much quicker to use a financial agreement, and you minimise the interference of third parties. If you and your partner are in agreement about how to divide your assets and liabilities, then a binding financial agreement really is the least stressful option for a peaceful settlement. If you'd like to know more about separation agreements and the peaceful path to settlement, visit our websites peacefulpath.com.au or financialagreements.com.au by following the links below.